my channel. So today I have this rose gold eye look and a bit of a chill get ready with me because I decided I want to tell you guys what's been going on in my life and like what's happening. I really hope you guys enjoyed like a more chill get ready with me, and I feel like this is the first time I've actually been very open on my channel. I've never talked like about real stuff. It's always been superficial, as you guys have probably watched if you guys watch my videos a lot, like talking about things that actually happen in my life. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this, and I don't want to ramble on for too long. So before we continue this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, you know the deal with links. And yeah, I don't know what else to say, but let's get started with the video. Moving straight into my Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm going to take the shade MFEO with my big fluffy brush from BH Cosmetics. I'm just going to apply that all over my crease as a nice warm transition shade. And then I'm going to go into the shade Creamsicle, which is a nice yellowy, like a bright yellow poppy color. And again, I'm using that same brush and just applying that on top of that shade, that transition shade that we had in the first place. This is to make that yellow really stand out in the eye look. And then I'm going to go into the shade Pukey. This is a nice caramel brown shade, and I'm just going to take this with my base shadow brush from Real Techniques and then apply that on the outer corners and put it right into my crease. Next, I'm going to go into the shade Hans. Hans is a nice warm orangey shade. I'm going to take that again the same way we're going to do the shade Pukey. We're going to apply that right on the outer corners and then blend it into the crease. Now this is to basically deepen up the color into the intensity that I want, which is a nice like darkish smokish but not really smoky. And then going back into the shade Creamsicle, I'm trying to basically merge the yellow and the orange together to make them look very, very nice and seamless. Next, I'm going to go into the shade Mocha, and I'm just going to first pack that on with my e.l.f. brush. And then moving on to the Real Techniques brush again, I'm just going to basically blend that dark brown eyeshadow into my crease. Some of the times I'm actually blending it sideways, and then some of the times I'm blending it like front forward like that. So it really depends. Looking at the side is because I really want to blend the sides out together. And then I'm going to go in with my Colourpop No Filter Concealer. As you guys can see, I kind of like looked up and down there a couple of times. Is basically when I close my eyes and I open them up, I want my concealer to create like incisions so that I know where to start carving out my crease. Then I'm just going to go back into the Real Techniques brush just to blend that dark brown eyeshadow into the concealer so there's no harsh lines. And then I'm going to go into the shade SBN, which is Smoky but Natural, which is a nice rose gold eyeshadow color. And I'm just going to apply that all over my eyelids. And then to top it off, I'm going to take my Stila Glitter and Glow eyeshadow in the shade Kitten Karma. And while it's still wet, I'm going to take my rose gold glitter from Bulk Glitters and just basically sporadically apply that all over my eyelids just to give it that nice oomph. And then cleaning out the outer corner with just a nice, wipe. You know what I mean? And then I'm taking my Maybelline liquid liner, the purple tube, and just doing my wing, doing the liner shit, okay, and then like filling it in with my Catrice Cosmetics liquid liner. For lashes, I use my Aliexpress lashes, and for mascara, I use my Sasatine Drama Queen mascara. Also, I'm so sorry for the birds. Where do I even begin on where I have been? Just where do I begin? Start so that let me do my stuff while talking. And if I don't tell you guys what I'm using, I'll put it like around my screen here. But yeah. Okay. For primer, I'll be using the Benefit Porefessional. To be honest with you guys, nothing major been happening in my life. Literally nothing. I just suddenly, I was going through a lot of stress from work. If you guys don't know, I'm not working anymore. But I was going through a lot of stress from work. No, I did not get fired. Calm down. I worked temporary for a company. There's a lot of things that was going on in my life when I was working that I basically felt that I couldn't even do much. I couldn't even do what I wanted to do. I didn't even want to film. I didn't want to edit. Like, editing was such a hard thing for me. Like, I could film all the time and all the way, but I cannot edit because I just had no energy to edit. So I have like about, I'm not gonna lie, 3 to 4 videos back to back that I have not edited. I have so much videos for you guys, but I'm just not in the mood to even edit at all. Basically, I ended work in March. I ended work in end March, which early April, which is like a few weeks ago. But I did not film or edit because it was my birthday weeks. So basically, the days leading up to my birthday, my actual birthday, I was going on a crazy diet. I was exercising almost every day, and I was honestly catching up on sleep because I barely slept during the time that I was working for my last month. Yeah, I barely slept, not because I had a lot of work, but I just couldn't sleep at night. And like, I started watching a few new series and I just could not stop watching on Netflix. And then like the thought of editing, I was just like, why didn't I take a break? After like taking a break for like a month plus, like I just like, let me take a break. I thought that I wanted to actually upload a video the week of my birthday celebration. Like I had a 21st birthday party, if you guys see on my Instagram. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, shameless plug, Khadijah Alsagoff, thank you so much. Anyways, so right after my 5th April, which is my actual birthday with my dad, me and my dad share a birthday together. But anyways, after that day, we went to eat dinner at this restaurant. I'm not gonna name the restaurant just because I'm gonna tell you a bad experience that I had, but I never had a bad experience over there before. I think it was just my body going through its craziness. But basically, right after I came back from dinner, I was the only one in my entire family that got sick. I was so sick. Like, I'm talking about, I was in bed the whole day in pain. Like, I was crying, I was in pain. I had really bad stomach issues. I think I pooped like 7 times or even 13 times that day. Like, it was insane. I had nausea. My stomach was in so much pain. And I was like, wondering what the hell is going on. And then I remembered I was on diet. Like, crazy. Like, I didn't eat oily food for 2 months. Literally 2 months. I did not eat oily food. I did not take any nonsense. I have not eaten fast food in like the longest time. 2 months is a long time for me, okay? I understand why you guys are gonna be like, bitch, I haven't eaten fast food in like a year. Okay, this is coming from the girl that eats fast food almost every week, twice. So that's a long time right there. For this girl, it's a long time. I'm gonna be using a Nars Sheer Glow Concealer. So I think, because that was my first official day of eating junk food, like crazy junk food. So I was like, ooh, I'm gonna go ham on this shit. My stomach did not agree with me. My stomach was like, not today, girl. We're gonna kill you. And then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, before my actual 21st birthday celebration, I was out with Shifa and Aisha almost every single day. If you guys don't know, they're my cousins. Don't worry, I will actually bring them on my channel very soon, because I want to do a few videos with them, like funny videos. Not really makeup related, so I hope you guys will be okay with that. But anyways, I was going out with them like almost every day to prep for my actual birthday, because on Monday they came and they're like, do you even know what you're gonna do? And I'm like, I don't. They're like, you're crazy. So yeah, that happened. And then on Tuesday we met up, Wednesday we met up, Thursday was the only day that I had free. And like, everyone kept telling me like, don't forget, you have to pack, there's gonna be a lot of stuff that you're gonna need, like you're gonna have to pack. So on Wednesday I got my period. Yes, I'm being very vocal with you people right now. I don't know why. When I'm on my period, I'm out. I'm really out. Like, I can't do anything. I'm in so much pain all the time. Thursday night came along and I started packing a few things. Like, just a few. Just things that I'm going to need. That are not like clothing or whatever. Like, you know, like a cake stand or a cupcake stand or whatever. All of that. My cousins, I was telling my cousins that I was so scared that I would miss something out. That I would forget something. And they were like, okay, then write down what you need to do. So before this, I was watching Haunting of Hill House. And again, I'm on my period. Haunting of Hill House causes a lot of anxiety in the terms that it's a horror movie, obviously. So right after I watched it, I decided to write down what I needed to bring. I got an anxiety attack. Yeah, I don't know why I'm telling this to you guys, but yeah, that's never happened to me before. I did not know that it was an anxiety attack until I called my cousin up, and I literally was out of breath. I was like panicking, and I was talking like I'm stumbling over my words, and she's like, "Are you okay? Like what's wrong? What's wrong?" And I'm like, I was telling her, and after a while, like she told me like she could hear that my breath was getting like really fast, like I cannot breathe. And then like as I was talking it out, I got better, like I finally could breathe. I actually felt my chest was closing up on me, so I was basically in so much like shock because I did not know what was going on. And I asked her, I was like, what the hell is going on with me, like what happened? And she was like, oh, I think that's an anxiety attack. Like she's not saying it in a way that she knows what she's talking about, but she's like, it sounds like you're having an anxiety attack. And we were on the phone for about 10 minutes, and she tried to calm me down. And she's like, okay, do things that make you happy, like watch Friends or do something. Just don't focus on like the birthday thing for a while. I started listing down things that I needed to bring for the party. And slowly but surely, I had almost everything. And I was like, okay, great, I'm gonna pack this tomorrow. Tomorrow rolls around. Everything was going great except for my hotel. There was a lot of shit. I'm just not gonna go into it because it's very long and I don't want to tell you guys what happened because there's no point. But basically there was no confirmed check-in time besides like 3 p.m. So I was like, I need to check in early, like 11 o'clock. But obviously that did not happen, and I don't blame them because obviously like normal check-in time is like 3, you know. And you know, they were like, you know what, and worst come to worst, even if you have to check in late, it doesn't matter because we have everything under control. We can do anything for you. If you need anything, we're here, blah, blah, blah. Like they were just giving me the support that I needed, and I needed that badly. So once I felt a bit more safer and better, I like calmed down like a lot. Also, I was still stressed about the hotel, but I did calm down a lot. By the way, Ritz-Carlton did the absolute amazing, like they are fucking wonderful, by the way. Like they are everything. The moment people started coming in, I felt so good. I felt so much better. And then yeah, that was my 21st, and this is a few days after my 21st. Actually, this is a week after my 21st that I'm filming this video, because the whole week of me, like this whole week, I was editing the video that you're watching last week. So yeah, that's what's been like keeping me back from YouTube, I guess you could say. Oh my god, I felt like I just went through my whole entire like face while telling you this story, and I feel like I told you guys a lot, and I did not expect myself to open up this fast, but I did. I just want to say that I think I spent my 21st the way that I really wanted to, which was with my friends and family and doing things that I wanted to. And I don't know, I feel like my 21st birthday was definitely something I had imagined all my life, like how it's gonna be. I mean, obviously, like I was 5 years old thinking about my 21st, but I'm saying, like, you know, when you're at the age, like you're 15, 16, you don't think about your 21st. And then when you're 18, you're like, ooh, 21st, that's an important birthday. You know what I mean? Like, I mean, a lot of people don't think 21st birthday are important. And you know what? A lot of people don't think birthdays are important. And that's up to you. That's fine. But my family, we make it a big deal. We make every birthday a big deal. So I think celebrating my 21st was so important to me, and I'm so happy that I got to celebrate it, and with the people that I love especially, and everything went smoothly without a crack. So for highlight, I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Loose Highlighter in So Hollywood. My cousins Shifa and Aisha got this for me for my birthday, and they also got me a few other things, but we're gonna share that in another video. How's your April been? My April has been so far one of the best months this year. I got this highlighter is everything. 2019 has been very, very interesting. If you guys think it's because I'm talking to a guy, I'm not. I'm just, I don't know, I've just been loving myself, been loving life, and I'm just really enjoying it. Anyways, I'm gonna do my lower lashes off camera, then I'll be back to do the lips, and then we're done with this video. Oh my god. So now that we're done with the eyes, I hate putting on my bottom lash mascara because I don't have bottom lash. I'm gonna move on to the lips, and for the lips I'm gonna be using the LA Colors lip liner in nude. I think that's what it's called. Oh, truly nude. I don't know. Okay, honestly, I don't know. And then I'm gonna pair it with Kat Von D's Bow and Arrow liquid lipstick. Okay, so this is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I decided that I want to do a rose gold smoky eye. Not really smoky because it's not really smoky, but I just want to do a rose gold eye look. I don't know why, because I'm like, I have not done a rose gold eye look in a really long time, and I'm like, why not do it today? So this is the look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys get to know why I've been MIA for the past 1 month plus. This video will probably go up after the blue eye, but if it's not, then I think this video might go up first before the blue one. Let me know what kind of videos you guys would like to see next. Do you guys like this kind of like chill, get ready with me, like what's going on in my life, like all of that? So, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Love you girls. Bye. Mwah.